Hello everyone and welcome to the first exoskeleton update, where I'm going to be showing off some hinges, pneumatic cylinders, and the prototype that I whipped up in the last 3 days. So that's my design for the universal joint that really can only go one way, so it's not very universal. But this was my first 3D print right here, which it worked really well, but it only went to a 90-degree angle. So then going to this design, this worked pretty well, but I had it designed for these pieces, which are actually really nice pieces of aluminum, and the joints, they didn't want to stay in there. So I decided to go for a piece for the square tubing, 1/16 I do believe. And so that allowed me to drill holes in it, which I had to change all of the fittings to squares to match. But after going through a couple prototypes, this is what I've got so far. The hinge up here can't support the weight, so it's only a sitting display right now, but this is the idea of how it's going to work. And let me get it set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got it set up now, and right now it's in the, this is the relaxed position, and it just can't. Okay, take number 2. Okay, so this is the arm in its relaxed position, where it's gonna pull up. Shoot, I need 3 hands, but it's gonna pull up like this at about a 90-degree angle. So that's the motion of the arm. And then up here at the shoulder, this piece has a tendency to break, but I can swing my arm all the way up to almost an unnatural movement. And these soccer shin guards will allow me to hold on to the arm. There's also going to be another strap somewhere around here, but right now it's attached to my old backpack frame using this sliding bar right here. I tested this thing in Fusion 360 actually. It'll support like 225 pounds of weight. But this old frame, if anyone's interested, I'll explain that later. But this was a previous science fair project. So moving into here, my production facility is this, the Flash Forge Finder. Not much, but it's honest work. And my whole little parts, all my parts and pieces. This is something I'm kind of proud of. I built this thing in Tinkercad, but that'll be for the exoskeleton later. Hopefully some armor. But back to this. These are the pneumatic cylinders. Parker pneumatic cylinders. It's actually one of the names of my little brothers. But these things are rated for up to 250 psi, and at 250 psi, each one can lift 450 pounds, which is great. But this is my little work setup over here. Not much, but hey, it works. Well, that's the EXO update for now. Tonight, I'm actually going to be picking up my welder, so hopefully in the next few days I can get a video of that and start actually working on a decent frame for this thing and get a metal universal joint. So well, that'll be all for now, and tune in next time.